Decoding the GRE. Dive into the verbal reasoning section. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the GRE Verbal Reasoning Section. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what to expect and how to excel in this part of the test. Let's get started. The verbal reasoning section of the GRE assesses your ability to analyze and draw conclusions from written material, understand multiple levels of meaning, and differentiate between literal and figurative meanings. Essentially, it checks your comprehension and vocabulary skills. There are three main types of questions you'll encounter. 1. Reading comprehension. This type involves reading passages and answering questions related to them. Topics can range from humanities to natural sciences. 2. Text completion. Here, you'll find sentences with one or more blanks. Your job is to pick the best word or words from the choices provided to complete the sentence meaningfully. 3. Sentence equivalence. This presents a single sentence with one blank, and you have to select two answers from the given choices that could fit the blank and produce sentences with similar meanings. 1. Practice active reading. This means constantly engaging with the text, asking questions, and making predictions as you read. 2. Expand your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary will help in text completion and sentence equivalence. Use flashcards and regularly practice with GRE word lists. 3. Pace yourself. Remember, the GRE does not penalize for wrong answers, so ensure you attempt every question. If you're unsure, make an educated guess. 4. Practice regularly. Like any other skill, excelling in the verbal reasoning section requires regular practice. Take timed practice tests to familiarize yourself with the test's pace. There you have it, a comprehensive look into the GRE verbal reasoning section. With the right strategies and consistent practice, you'll be well on your way to achieving a great score. Remember, understanding the structure is half the battle. Happy studying, and we hope this video has been helpful.